Okay, in my last video, I took this piece of oak wood, which is just an old cut off of an old board, and I made this little pin. I said I would show it, but the video, I'm not a very good cameraman, so I messed up the whole video, but the pin itself came out fairly decent. So we're going to try again, and we're going to try to make another pin video, and let's hope it turns out. Take this pin kit and this little blank, and we're going to make a pin today. To do this, we got to have the pin manual. So we have these little bushings on here, and we have one bushing, our first little blank bushing, the next little blank, and a bushing. And this will screw on to the end of it. And what we'll do is we're going to take these little insides and rough them up with sandpaper. We're going to mark this, cut it off. We'll put it on the drilled one hole already. And like I say, it's not perfectly straight, but I don't care. Don't have to be perfectly straight. And I'm going to actually drill the other one right now. You can see that I'm not lying to you. I just put it in this vise. Line it up. And I drill a hole to it. And see, that one's not perfectly like down the center, but it's got enough around there, so she's going to turn out alright. And you want to take these little inserts, like I say, and sand them up. Just rough them up a little. Then you insert them with a little bit of CA glue. I just put the CA glue on a little piece of toilet paper. Pour some on there. Roll it around on there. Get it nice and coated. Just slide her through. Same thing with the other one. A little CA glue on some toilet paper. Roll a little insert to it. Slide her in. Like that. Now when we get over the belt sander, we'll just stick it on there for a second, take it down just that little bit. We'll be ready to go. We'll be turning. Well, I've allowed this a few seconds to dry. I like to stick it right in the corner so it keeps it straight. Turn it up. Is this about right? Perfect. Let's get ready. Our tool rest. You want to be able to get this baby about in the middle of your work. Right about there. You guys knew what I went through to make some of these videos. You'd watch the whole thing. Just to help us hell out. Start out nice and slow. Just gonna round them off. Let's tighten this up a little bit. You can see that these are almost round already. You can see these little actual bushings. You want to take this right down to the edge of them bushings because that's going to match your slimline pin. Whatever pin you have, the bushings are going to be there for it. shape of the pen and stuff, it pretty much depends on you and what kind of shape you want. Not too shabby. Use a piece of toilet paper just to take some of that dust off of there. Put some sanding sealer on there. This is Mylan sanding sealer. Now you see she's starting to pop a little. Go through your little grains of sandpaper. Get her down to where you want it. Turn your speed down a little bit. A lot of people will use CA on the finish, but on these little cheap pens like this, and I got lots of time, I just use the polyurethane fast drying sprayer on there. I'll let that sit there for about 5 minutes. We'll spray it again. We'll do it about 5 or 6 times, and I'll come back and show you how to put the baby together. Okay, there's all our pieces. This is what I actually put it together with. That's all I have. Well, that's what we got to work with. First thing we want to do is take the top, put it on there, pinch that in. Like that. Put this bad boy in there. Line her up. this in. Put the center on. This goes in there, and the top, we gotta pinch that. That's all there pretty much is to it.